I would say, as you asked me the credit for the medal, I wouldn't say. I mean, the one person cannot be, responsible for my victory. I think it's an entire team effort that leads me to the podium, that makes me able to reach the podium for the country. And in the team, I would say, starting from my family, my mom, and then my coach Ispal sir, then my sponsors who have been there with the thick and thin of my life, and Sports Authority of India, the top scheme. I think many people have played a huge role so that I am able to win the medals for the country. And I would say that yes, India is progressing, but we have a long way to cover. We have a long journey ahead of us, where we can potentially grab more medals and win more medals and do even better in the coming years. Yes, I understand that many nations, many countries are far ahead of us in terms of many other sports. Many they win even more than we do.
லைட் நீங்க ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. இன்டர்வியூ போயிட்டு இருக்கு, ஆஃப் பண்ணாதீங்க. அப்ப லைட்ஸ் யார் இது பண்றா?
I wish I knew something. कोई नहीं, अभी मैंने पी लिया था. That's okay. Where I left? I forgot. Yes. Yeah. So we've all seen the medal tallies, and we definitely know there's a huge scope of improvement. There's one thing that's different that I've seen in India and other nations is that they start from a very young age. They take children from a very, very young age. And in our culture, our country, it's more like the interests of the kids. And then when they eventually want to start, when they want to start or take a career, they then initiate. Then the parents also support. Then the government comes in the picture once they're starting to do good. I think that kind of program needs to be more prominent in our country to be able to actually do even better and win more medals.
The women's safety, particularly in the sports arena, how is our status right now?
So we'll keep it to only.
We have seen such protests of things before. Assent to women.
So when we talk about women, I would say that women are like 50% of almost 50% of the population of our country, and I think the basic right for any human being would be the right to freedom, the right to liberty. I think we should all do what we all can do to actually help and make the society even better for women. We all are aware of certain problems or certain situations that are actually very prominent in our society, and we need to do something to eliminate all of that. And I think it cannot be done by just one event or just if one person says something that we'll do something against it. I think it's a duty of every person to do something in accordance to actually see the difference. We all need to step up, and we all need to do what we all can do. So,
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, sir, this event and the president is for Vedaman Excellence and Scholarship. Sir, let's keep the question to it. Please avoid controversy questions, sir. Requesting, sir. Humble request, please, sir.
There is no controversy. Supposed to speak about it. Mainly the says behind the Vinesh Phogat disqualified. What do you think about that?
Sorry?
Many says there are political reasons in that Vinesh Phogat disqualification.
Sir,
What do you think about
How do you see the shooting progression for you? Yes, this time you want 3 months of shooting, but there is another side of it. We have 21 athletes first time participation. But shooting is always been expectation for India to win more medals. How do you see the progression from this year?
I think when it comes to shooting as a sport in India, we have a huge potential and we have so much of talent in our country. For shooting especially, I can talk. So, I mean, if we put in more resources and more efforts into shooting, I think even better can be, the results can be improved. And we finished 3 medals and 3 bronzes. So I think we can do it even better in the future. But the efforts and the kind of resources that we put behind shooting and like the junior programs or how we are doing, how we take athletes from a very young age, I think all that needs to be started and all that needs to be very persistent. So it cannot be like one Olympics we are getting 3 medals, last Olympics the performance was not up to the mark. This Olympics people performed really well. I think we are on the way of progression, but we still can do many things to improve it even further. We can take it even further.
What's your opinion on Vinesh Phogat issue?
So I would say that she's like an elder sister to me. I've always known her since I was a child, and all I can say is that I've always known of her as a fighter. She has this fighter spirit, and I am sure that she's capable of dealing with stress or dealing with anything that comes her way in a very good manner. And she has carried herself really well. All these days I've watched her bouts also. And I would say that she has a really good fighting spirit and she will keep going on.
Many said there are political reasons behind the disqualification.
So I don't know about that. So I'm sorry.
Sir, last question, sir. Last question, sir. Last question, sir. Last question, sir. Last question,
So I will be taking a break because it's been 8.5 years that I was not able to take a break. So now I have decided to give my my shoulder a little rest. So I'll be taking 3 months break, and after that I'll be starting again. But competing I'll start after 4-5 months.
So congratulations.
Sir, last
Thank
question,
you.
sir. Last question.
Just one last question, please. We have
How, like you started your career at the age of very young age. So grassroots is very important. So how do you feel like you thought that? So how do you like Vision of Olympics 2032 you have launched it. So what do you think how grassroots development is important? We can see more schools doesn't have proper ground, proper facilities for infrastructure. So how do you look at this business?
So I can discuss with you, I can tell you all that my journey started from my school, Universal School, and when I see initiatives like such, like Bellarmine School has come up with this 2032 program, and I've known so many chess prodigies from the school. So I would say it's a very good step, and in order to motivate our kids and in order to excel in sports, I think it needs to be started from a very young age. And how the schools are taking it now, I think we do have long way to go, but I think somewhere we have to start, and this start I'm sure will give us many athletes, many promising athletes, I'm sure, and let's all support our athletes, let's all cheer for them, and definitely grassroots things are very important. When a child is like 10-12 years old, the grasping power of the child is very high, and you can mold the child in any way. So that's how I believe that once we put resources and once we have the faith in youngsters, they can actually do really good.
So this question to you, like what was exactly happened with the Neeraj Chopra?
Thank you.